everyone. We have the very gorgeous Shruti Vapna with us. Hi, ma'am. Say hi to your friends and your fans.
Hi, Yushi.
Uh,
Hi, everybody. Thank you for having me.
okay. So, ma'am, how's your lockdown going on?
I think it's unlock now, right? Unlock
Kind of.
whatever, one, two, three. I don't even know, and I don't even really pay any more attention to that. My life is pretty much the same what it was 4 months ago. So
I can
there's
see.
not been much change. Yeah, I mean, I don't step out unless and until it's necessary or it's for some important work and for essentials or something like that. Apart from that, I don't really indulge in meeting friends or anybody because I think it's better to stay safe as much as possible. And let's just have 2020 get over. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. By the way, you are looking so fit. Do you do something like exercise and workout over home in the lockdown section also?
Yeah, that's how I work out actually. I don't go to the gym. I do my yoga and mat workout like Pilates and functional and with little bit of resistance bands and Swiss ball. That's what I basically use to keep myself fit. And I do a lot of yoga, like I said, and a lot of dancing. So that keeps me fit. I don't enjoy going to the gym. I prefer working out at home at my own convenience and going for walks.
So, ma'am, first of all, very congratulations for your series. That's amazing. Amazing, first of all, I must say.
Thank you. Thank you
So,
so much.
how's your
Thank you.
experience from Saas Bina Sasural to the Breathe the Swallow? Like, what's your journey? I just want to know.
My experience, I've been working in three mediums now. Like earlier I was doing television and films.
Yes.
I consistently kept working in films even while I was doing TV. And now there is another platform as well, which is the OTT. So for me, I think the best part has been to consistently keep working with different kinds of people on different projects with different directors. And I think that speaks for itself that, I've been able to create my own space in all these different mediums as well. So I think that's very important. And overall, it's been filled with ups and downs like every other actor. Everyone has their own challenges and their own journey and their own time. So I think, some things are just left to the universe and you just have to consistently keep working. I think I just believe in that. And that's exactly what I've been doing for all these years. And I'm really thankful for all the support that I've been getting for all these years, whether it's my work on TV or in films, whether it's my directors or casting directors, whoever's put in that trust in me. I think that really makes an actor like me build trust in myself again and keep myself motivated to go out there and keep working, keep auditioning, and keep growing as an actor. That's how it's been.
So nice of you, ma'am. Otherwise, the actors like you always have the ego and all. You're so down to earth. Personally, I very like you. Especially, I'm your fan
Thank you.
from the Mardani 2019. That's my favorite movie. People
Thank
talk about feminism, but that movie is a real feminism. Like, I want to know your journey. Like, what you feel about that Mardani and the feminism? What do you feel about?
uh, I mean, feminism is another thing. Like it's about, firstly, that word in our times and in our industry has been brutally used. I think I just believe in, first you have to understand what exactly is feminism. It's about understanding your equality, understanding your rights and opportunities as a woman. And but right now I think it's taken another note, and I don't know, I find women to become uh, they take another note of the entire uh, concept. And I think that needs to be fine tuned, that you need to understand what you're fighting for. it's not that if I don't shave my hands, then it means I'm a feminist. It's not like that, right? Right now, it's going on to that track that if I'm not shaving my arms or underarms or something like that, it means that I'm a feminist. No, that's completely your choice. It's your personal thing, what you'd like to do. But if you understand that what it is, if you're working with another man, and that's when you have to put in your rights and speak for equality, that if you're both doing the right amount of the equal amount of work, then you should be paid equally. That is what feminism is all about. But right now we're just going on another note, so I think we need to kind of structurize this a little bit and come out with that concept very clearly. This is what I really feel that the today's generation needs to understand. You don't need to really become aggressive about anything or everything. You have to first understand what it is. And I think rather than pulling another gender down, it's about portraying how we complement each other. Nobody is better than the other. It's about complementing each other like that. So I just believe in how it is, like Shiv and Shakti. It's nature, right? So that's how we should treat it as.
So nice thoughts, ma'am. They're really nice thoughts. Ma'am, I just want to ask you, in the series, you played a role of a homosexual. This role is very challenging for you, no? Like new concept and a new.
It was challenging because to understand this sort of complexity and this sort of emotion that a woman can go through, and to be able to openly talk about it and express yourself as that identity itself is like a huge a challenge. And kudos to all those women who find themselves to be either homosexual or bisexual and come out in the open and speak about it. Because as a society, until now, we were kind of not very comfortable with that idea. But I think from as 2018 came in and Article 377 was removed, I think that's when it was removed, 2018. So we also started accepting such sexual identities in a more respectful way. And I think that also helped me to completely unabashedly just go out and do what I had to do as Natasha. And also the character itself, she's not bound in those complexity. She knows who she is, and she's comfortable in herself, and she's openly expressed herself. So that was what was the beauty. And for me, I had to work on the emotion, on understanding how a woman feels towards another woman when she's homosexual. So I had to really discover and build and work on that note psychologically, which I took a lot of made a lot of effort to do. And I think even after the show was over, like after my shooting was over, it also took me a few more months to let go of that thinking. Yeah, to let go of that emotion and, completely come back to what I am and how I feel.
Yeah, that means you are totally into your character and it takes a month to come out of that hangover.
Yeah, surely it does, because we were working on it for almost a year and a half. I mean, shooting process was quite long, because you have different schedules. So it sometimes runs for almost a year and a half. So yeah, I mean, you're in that character somewhere at least.
Okay. What's your parents' reaction after getting to know or seeing you in a television or in a series with this character? What's their reaction?
With Natasha or with something else?
No, with Natasha. With
Natasha.
Yeah.
They were very happy. They were very happy, firstly, because they saw me, I mean, with the kind of screen presence there was also. So they were very happy about that because it was strong. was stronger role, it was strong presence, and of course they were very, very happy about my performance, with my performance. They've been always very supportive. So, and they're my biggest critics. If I have to really know how my work has come out, it's going to be my mom and my sister whom I ask the first. I believe they're the biggest critics, and they will tell me clearly how it is, and they've been very happy about it. Of course, also because they understand that playing such a character wasn't easy. They understand how challenging it must have been for me, and that's why they understand the effort, and they see, they appreciate it.
Oh, that's really nice. This is really nice. Ma'am, I have been watching your series and Gabbar is back and Mardani after a one and one, the top movies. What's your best experience? Like which movie you think that this is the thing I have to do once again? If the series will make, then I will go through this. Like which part of the movie?
Um, which movie? Which
Yeah.
movie? I
If the
think I'm really hoping if there's another a part two of Wake Up Sid, that was my first film, and it remains special on another, in another way. And I really hope if we can revive that in some way and make make like a sequel of Wake Up Sid, and then we'll have all these characters coming in after so many years. I think that would be interesting also. And which other film? Also, there was a show I did called MTV Girls on Top,
that's my favorite show. First of
where I
all, I
played
want to mention.
Diana.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yeah.
First of all, I want to mention that's my favorite show because I'm a huge fan of that. And when I get to know that I'm going to take your interview, I was so excited. I was so excited. Genuinely, I was so excited.
So that is also one of my favorite characters that I thoroughly enjoyed playing. It was, spunky and crazy, wacky. So I just had a lot of fun, and I used to improvise so much myself. So, you can get bitchy and have fun in front of the camera. I really enjoyed that. So I really wish maybe if there's another season of that, I'd love to be a part of that as well.
Ma'am, you come across with a question which are usually very professional. I just want to be Shruti, ma'am, in some personal space. Do you allow me to do so? Not very personal, but
Yeah.
somehow I want to. What's your type? Like
Sure. Yeah.
you enjoy the character which are thrilling, full of life. What's your type? Like how you are in a personal life? What kind of girl you are?
I'm a variety. Oops, sorry. I think there was the
Totally
wind
fine.
because of the wind. Uh,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am a variety as it is in personal life as well. And I think all the characters I play come from somewhere there. Like, every character has some side of mine in it, probably. So, uh, what was your question?
I want to know what is you in your original life. What type of girl you are in your original life?
Right. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I'm like a very simple girl. Yeah, I'm very simple. I'm very grounded. I'm not. I'm not materialistic. Like I love investing in experiences. So I prefer. Um, I just live a very simple life, but I enjoy discovering other things and learning a lot of things, learning new things, and traveling, adventure of different kinds, um, and what else? Yeah, dancing and stuff like a regular person. But it's just that I live a very simple life. I mean, I would really call myself a minimalist.
While scrolling down your Insta, I get to know a video in which you are singing. I heard that you have a singing habit also. Like it's your hobby.
I sing, yeah, like अगर मन किया तो गा लिया type. But I mean, I'm not trained a singer or anything like that. But I sing whenever I feel like. I enjoy singing because my mom is actually a singer also. Yeah.
I know.
She's a
Uh,
singer dancer. So like I've got that from her. So I can't sing that well, but little bit thoda bahut sur ki to mujhe samajh hai. So I know when I'm going besura and when I'm singing in sur.
if you don't mind, I want to listen few sentences, please.
Ah. Oh God, which song? Suggest me something.
Any song, your favorite song or anything, like whatever suits you.
Mm. Mm. जरा जरा बहकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में है मेरी कसम तुझको सनम दूर कहीं ना जा ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आजा मेरे आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे okay.
No words, but slow claps, no words. You sing very well.
अरे यार
Sometimes,
बहुत दिनों से गाया नहीं है.
sometimes I feel when God was making you, na, He'll give you beauty, He'll give you brain, acting, dancing, singing, like
Oh, so
all
sweet.
rounder.
So sweet.
We love you, ma'am. We love you. That's why you are here. That's why you are here. Like,
Thank you.
okay,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
I want to know your school life. Like generally people, I am a KV student, personally speaking. So that morning
You're a?
assembly, KV student, Kendriya Vidyalaya,
Okay.
the
Huh.
government school, and the morning
Huh.
assemblies. That do you have to face the same? I don't want to know
I
your
grew up in Nigeria actually.
Niger. That's what the
Yeah,
thing is.
Africa.
That's what the
ये क्या
thing
मतलब हुआ?
is. The thing is,
What does this mean?
no, ma'am. The thing is, like, girls like you grow up in Nigeria, but like everything is perfect. And girl like me grew up in Kanpur, UP city. Our cities, हम विकास दुबे है कानपुर वाले. There what the difference became.
Perfect. Nothing is perfect, my dear. Everything was a challenge. Um, no, yeah, it's not like that. It's like every, everybody's got a different journey, different life. Um, that was a different life. I mean, it's very funny what you said.
No, ma'am, that's what the thing is. Just imagine you sitting somewhere and I was in
Oh
your
God.
and you said I was born in Nigeria, in Australia, and suddenly I said I'm from Kanpur, UP.
Nigeria is not Australia. Nigeria is
Africa, sorry, sorry,
Africa.
sorry, 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 my bad, my bad. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. It's super
I
fun.
was born in India, but I was brought up in Nigeria.
I was
But it
born
was an
in
Indian school.
Kanpur.
So Kanpur is a lovely place.
It is a
How
lovely.
much I used to miss India, you know?
Why don't you come to Kanpur? I'll show you everything. You know what? How much Kanpur is famous right now? You know Vikas Dubey. He's so famous.
Yeah, of course.
People who are watching this
Yeah.
video now are going to kill me after this. You think Kanpur is too bad?
So, no, and I think कानपुर का खाना भी बहुत अच्छा है. अच्छा,
हमेशा
आप भी तो दुबे है ना?
हाँ मैम हम भी दुबई लेकिन मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं I swear.
Okay, coming back to your question, my school life. My school life was quite exciting because I grew up in Nigeria. It was different from growing up in India, of course. Although I was in an Indian school and the board, like it was a affiliated to CBSE board, so we had an Indian education, but growing up in Nigeria was obviously, getting exposed to another country, another culture, and that too, the African culture is like so beautiful. Their traditions, their music, dance, everything is so, so rich. So I have that influence as well. And yeah, so it was great and fantastic. Of course, we used to have school assemblies as well, where we used to sing. And it was a lot of fun. I was always very active in all the extracurricular activities. So a lot of like music, dance, debates, and all of that. So I used to do everything. I was an all-rounder then. And I used to also make it, I think, in the top 3 ranks for sure. That was always, I was always somewhere there. But like after ninth, I think that's when मैं थोड़ी सी बिगड़ गई थी and become a little more naughty, and I didn't have that much interest in studies anymore. And I remember that when I was having you know, you have that break to study for board exams in your 10th. I was actually, rather than preparing for my board exams, I would you know, search for jokes and learn jokes and go and recite them to my friends. I think तब से थोड़ा सा मुझे ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस में इंटरेस्ट हो गया था. मतलब पहले भी था. I used to enjoy being on stage and performing always, but I think from then it was more. It just grew. It just grew. Like I started enjoying it even more. So I think that's where that shift happened. And then I came to Mumbai, and then my journey with theatre started.
You are a good scholar. You are a topper. You are an actor. You are a dancer. You are a singer. हम जॉब छोड़ दें मैम.
I'm not a dancer. I'm not a singer. I dance well. Like I enjoy
Ma'am, you sing
dancing.
so
And
well. ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं. You sing so well.
thank you, thank you. I'm glad.
तो
Thank you.
हम सोच रहे हैं हम जॉब छोड़ दें क्योंकि सारे जगह आप ऐसे.
नहीं फिर, but I can't interview ना. मैं interview नहीं कर सकती.
ये तो आपने दिल को
तो
अच्छा
उसके लिए
करने
आपको,
की बात बोल दी.
उसके लिए आपको रहना पड़ेगा.
भगवान करे मुझे आपके इंटरव्यूज लेने के और मौके मिल जाएं. भगवान करे. I
Thank
want
you.
this. I want it. And trust me, ma'am, it's like meeting you is my dream come true. When I was watching
Thank you.
in MTV Girls on Top to watching you as a role of Bharti Mardani from this like web series, it's like dream come true. Literally, ma'am. You have
Thank you.
great
Thank you
work.
so much. Thank you.
So, ma'am, what's next? Like, do you have any other plans right now?
Sadly अभी तक कुछ फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज यू नो ये लॉकडाउन और ये सब है. तो बट आई थिंक कुछ महीने में, मतलब एक आध महीने के अंदर आई थिंक आई विल बी एबल टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग, बिकॉज बातें चल रही है. इट्स जस्ट कि वो ऑन फ्लोर नहीं गया है, तो यू नो तब तक बोल नहीं सकते क्योंकि चीजें ऐसी हैं. बट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक इन अ मंथ्स टाइम थिंग्स विल बी बेटर. एंड आई हैव अ फिल्म चित्रकूट that will release once the theaters open up. अभी open नहीं हुए ना theaters?
अभी I think नहीं हुए हैं.
नहीं हुए शायद, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं. बट हाँ, जब वो होंगे तब हो जाएगा.
I'm very bad at GK, ma'am. Don't ask anything from GK.
नहीं नहीं, मतलब अभी होने वाले थे. आई थिंक एंड ऑफ जुलाई होने वाले थे, या
I think
एंड ऑफ ऑगस्ट. आई एम नॉट श्योर.
I think
Gyms are open, but I think theaters will also open up, I think, very soon. So then my film Chitrakoot should release. That's directed by Himanshu Malik. So hopefully then that will release. Abhi to yahi hai.
I'll take first day first, definitely.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, nice meeting to you. Now I'm ending this interview because I don't want to extend it too large.
Okay.
And first of all, I don't want you to go from heart. I don't want you to go. I want to talk more, but still some time limit. You also have work, so
Next time we can, surely. Soon, very soon.
so bye, ma'am. Although I
Thank you
don't
so
want to
much,
say.
Ayushi.